All right, so in the shop today, we've got a Titan XD Pro 4X. They're getting started on it right now. It's getting a 6-inch rough country kit on there. Mike's getting started on these wheels that we've got. We've got the Weld off-road Chasms. Pretty sweet looking wheel, one that we don't get to do too often. And then we've got the Dick C-Pec trail country tires going on there as well. So we'll see how it turns out.
Paranoia-filled days later.
And the Cummins Titan is out of the shop. Like I said, we did a rough country 6-inch kit on here. We did the Dick C-Pec trail country tires. So these are great, inexpensive tire, perfect fit for this thing. And then we did the Weld off-road Chasm wheels, and it just so happens that I wore my Weld shirt today and didn't even plan it. Just worked out that way. So turned out phenomenal, and I'm sure the customer is gonna absolutely love it. He's got a little damage over there on that side, so who knows, we might see this thing back for a bumper soon.
8 hours later.
All right, so quick update on the Comanche build. So just got a call from our guy down at Wicked Bumpers, Ben. He has had it for quite some time, looking at doing a little bit of custom fabrication on it and everything, building a couple things for us. The big thing that he's building for us is the overland rack. So we've kind of gone back and forth over it. He's been swamped, so it's been quite some time without it. But from the sounds of it, we're gonna be picking it up this weekend. So we decided it was finally time to go ahead and mount the wheels and tires that we bought for it, technically. Really, the tires that we got for it are actually Matt's old tires, or new tires that he's had forever for his LJ that he never put on. So we're gonna use them on the Comanche for right now. And then while we were down in Kansas City at the Wheel Pros event, we picked up a set of fuel Anzas for it. So we got them all mounted up. Chris already loaded them in the van, unfortunately. So this is what you get. So 35, 12, 50, 15, Mickey Thompson MTZs. Gonna be a discontinued tire, but honestly, I don't really care. And then on the Anzas, 15 by 10s. It's the matte black with the anthracite ring on there, and obviously 5 on 4.5 for the LJ and the Comanche. So you'll probably see it this set swap between both the Comanche and the LJ. The LJ's got a set of Ion 171s with some Federal tires on it. That'll probably end up on the Comanche as well at some point. But for right now, this is what's gonna be putting on as soon as we get that thing back this weekend, hopefully.
Several days later.
Well, good morning. So what we got going on today, we have this brand new F-150 Lariat that we are doing a canister style tonneau cover. The brand of this one is going to be the Retrax, and I believe it's the MX, which is the poly Retrax. Obviously it's not on here yet, but that's what's going on right now. Now this Jeep here, so we do a lot of business with a lot of different dealerships, and when they have lifted vehicles and they're not too sure how to fix them, they bring them to us. So this one is going to end up getting a new longer drive shaft for the front because the factory one was torn, the boot on it. And over here we have a 09 to I guess the new body style, or the new ones, the 2020s on up, the classics, the Ram. that is doing, or we're getting a 2.5-inch leveling kit for the front, and then also a 1-inch spacer for the rear to kind of even it out a little bit.
All right, so the F-150 that was in the shop earlier is now out, and we got the Retrax all finished up on this thing. So we did the Retrax aluminum series on here with the Pro. So what that is, it's the same cover that I had on my truck. It's got the T-slots on here so that you can add any sort of accessory like a ladder rack, any roof type bars, cargo bars, whatever it is that you want to add on there. And then it's the manual retractable on here. So open it up, pop that thing. Rolls up super simple. And like I said before, this is more made for a non-lifted application because it's so much easier to close. So other than that, turns out pretty slick. I really like these Retrax covers, so you'll definitely be seeing more of these in the future.
Hey guys, today we're doing a 19 Chevy 2500. We're gonna be doing this Aeroskin hood protector. Really helps with all the bugs and everything. Doesn't scratch up your hood. It keeps the hood looking nice and clean. And then we're also gonna be doing some Bushwhacker pocket style fender flares. They're gonna go on the edges there. Really give it that rugged look. So we'll see how it looks at the end. All right, so as you can see, this is the finished product, the Aeroskin bug deflector. Real nice to the body. It doesn't even look like it's sticking up at all. It's real flush. Gives it that nice little look up top. And then the Bushwhacker fender flares gives it that nice touch. Really makes it look like a really rugged truck. But a lot of people seem to like them. We like them here. That's why we put them on. My favorite part about this truck is obviously that bug deflector. Again, it's real slick. It doesn't really look like it's out of place. It fits well with the body lines of this vehicle. As you can tell there, pretty nice feature on there. Let's see what else is back there and let's talk about that.